So this is an HSP monster truck. As you can see, it's fitted here with a blue body. What we're going to do is we're going to start this car up, run it around the garden and see how it behaves. Now I have the body clips in my hand, so we'll just remove the body for starting, and we're going to turn the car on, and I'm going to turn the controller on. I should really turn the controller on first, but we're going to do a couple of quick checks. So throttle is good, as is the brake, and steering is also good on this car. So let's start her up, put the cover on and run around the garden. I'm going to start her with a bit of throttle, which means the engine will start quite fast, and then once she's started I'll bring it back down again to a normal idle speed, ready for running. Stop by putting a finger on the exhaust, and there we are. That is the HSP. It's a monster truck. I think it could be the Brontosaurus, but it comes with a blue style cover, and there it is. It's got a 0.18 engine in, which is a very fast engine for these cars. Normally they come with a 0.15, but this one's got the 0.18, so it makes it just a little bit faster. Okay. One thing to point out very quickly though, it does have one cracked wheel, which is that one there, has one cracked wheel, which I have pointed out on the listing. Just bear that in mind. But apart from that, it's there. That is the HSP, the Brontosaurus, and it's available on eBay. And thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask via eBay. Thank you.